In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo to your Gmail signature. It's a simple process that can really help make your emails stand out and add a professional touch. Let's get started. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the gear icon, which is found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's settings page, which is where we'll be making all of our changes today. Scroll down this page until you come across the Signatures section. This is where you'll be able to create your new email signature or edit an existing one. Now, if you haven't already created a signature, you'll want to click on the option to Create New. This will give you a blank canvas to work with. In the text box that appears, type in your desired signature text. It can be your name, job title, contact information, or anything else you want to include. Make sure it's clear and concise, as this will appear at the bottom of each email you send from this Gmail account. Next, it's time to add your logo. You'll need to upload the image first, so click on the Upload button. Your computer's file browser will open, and you can navigate to the folder where your logo image is saved. Once you've selected your logo, you may need to grant Gmail permission to access the file, so be sure to click Allow. After your image uploads, you might notice it's larger or smaller than you want it to be. No worries, click on the uploaded image and a toolbar will appear that allows you to adjust the size. For most logos, selecting small does the trick, but you can experiment with what's best for you. With the logo now added to your signature, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the text is formatted how you'd like it and that your logo looks how you expect it to. If everything looks good, go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the settings page. The final step is clicking Save Changes. This crucial step applies all the adjustments you've just made. Once that's done, your new logo-bearing signature will automatically appear in any new emails you draft in Gmail. This small customization not only enhances your professional correspondence, but also boosts your brand visibility with every email you send. And that's it! You've successfully added a logo to your Gmail signature. I hope you found this guide helpful. Adding a logo is a great way to personalize your emails and give them a polished look. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more useful Gmail tips and tricks.